Welcome to the Nicholas 11X12 technology. Today I'd like to compare three interesting processors, which would be the AMD FX 8350, Intel Core i7-3770K, and Core i5-3570K. All CPUs run at the stock speeds and nothing is overclocked. But let's get directly to the benchmarks. Alright, there you have it. I know a price comparison would have been useful too, but I didn't want to do that because it can only be the price at the time of this video. And for the people that watch this video like 4 months later, the price might change somehow. Therefore my comparison would look inaccurate. I hope you understand that. All three processors offer great performance, that's for sure. The best one being the i7-3770K though, which is obvious due to the much higher price. The i5-3570K and the FX 8350, however, are really close in terms of the performance and pricing. When it comes to raw performance for the price, the FX 8350 definitely is the better choice, although in some benchmarks, especially when it comes to the latency tests, the FX quickly falls back behind the Intel CPUs. When judging the average performance, the i7 is the winner. Second is the FX 8350 and third the i5. But always keep in mind the price. The FX CPU right now at the time of this video is the cheapest of these processors tested in this video. The gaming performance is pretty much identical between the FX and i5. However, the i7 still manages to top things, but these are just some frames per second. When it comes to the temperatures, keep in mind that the Intel CPUs were tested with a large aftermarket CPU cooler named Cooler Master V6 GT, while the FX CPU was simply cooled down with the stock cooler. So the temperature results definitely look a lot better on the FX processor, and therefore there's more headroom for overclocking. The power consumption, however, seems to be the only problem on the FX processor. It's simply so much higher than the Intel CPUs. In the end, you have to choose with which processor you will go or not. I really hope this comparison video could help you with your decision. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.